actually got a package came in today. We're gonna change out my front lights because one of them went out. So I'm gonna try out some LED lights. So the brand I decided to go with called Auto One LED lights. LED lights. I decided to go with the Auto One LED lights. Had great reviews on Google. I said Google. And they look like this. Don't mind my car. My car is messy. I know I need to clean it. So I'm gonna try them out to see what happens. So I had two things happen to me. I left this box here. My hood closed on its own, and I spent a good 10 minutes trying to open my hood again. Now, back to changing a light bulb. All right, just to remind y'all, I'm not a mechanic, but you know, I go to YouTube University and they teach you all. So this is the current light that is out. I'm gonna take it out and then switch it for the LED lights. So we're changing out the two main light bulbs, not your high beams, your regular lights, headlights. You're gonna turn, I know you can see, turn and remove. Just like that. Once you remove it, it'll look like this. They go to the other part. Now I'm gonna replace it with the new LED light. I did this one. I finished. I did it off camera, but I'm gonna do the other one. I'm gonna try to see if I can capture as much footage as possible to show you how I take it out. Now I don't have all my tools, so I'm using my keys to unhook the light from. It's something that's holding the light in place. I'm gonna show y'all. So remember, you gotta twist. Let's see, boy, when you need a camera person, you need one. See, twist up, and you can pull out. Now there's a part which I need both hands to take out the little strap that's holding the light bulb in place. Be careful. Once again, I'm not a mechanic, but you know, I do what I gotta do to save some money. So you see, oh, we got a chicken. So this is a strap right here that's holding the light bulb in place. So I'm gonna try to remove it. Well, I'm going to remove it, not try. But I gotta like record in a way that y'all can see. I would advise to use a wrench, but it's right here. Once you pop it back in, it should look like this. Got a little fan to cool it down, and then you're gonna put it back into the hole. Give me a second. And then just how you take it out, you gotta put it back in. Next time, I'm getting somebody to record this because this is crazy. Oh, I had it. Okay, I changed them. They're on right now. They're not as bright because, you know, it's daylight. Miami is weird, but yeah, they're on.